Cassell here, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share this project with you today. This is part of the 12 Days of Christmas swap that I participated in with Anna. She is Memory Decks Obsessed over on Instagram and Anna's Wonderland on YouTube. But she hosted the Secret Santa swap, and I made this for my partner. Now, this is also a Scrapholics design team project. I used so much of their fun new chipboards in here. And this is a 3D SVG file that I picked up, and I will post the link in the description box. I used the older paper collection, Fa La La from Crate Paper. And once again, I just used a ton of the cute Christmas chipboards from Scrapholics. So let's start with, I'm going to start with this floral cluster in here, the large one. I used some of the snowflakes through here. Now the snowflakes come in a 6-pack and they're doubled so that it makes 3 snowflakes, but you have 6 individual pieces. And I separated all the snowflakes in this. I did a snowflake here, here, and here. 2 in this cluster and 1 in this. And then I also used some of this Holly Flourish, and I will link both of those in the description box as well. And each of them I painted with acrylic paint and then just glittered them with some iridescent glitter. This one I did in a blue and then the same iridescent glitter, but it's so pretty, so pretty. The holly is once again done in an acrylic paint, and I used some pink for the flourishes in here, and as you can see, I kind of tucked in, there's some green holly leaves in here that match the pants, and I used some red Nouveau drops for the berries on this. And then you'll see some snowflakes that I cut out of some felt. This is one of the sentiments from the collection. I used glitter paper because I thought it was really, I don't know, I thought the gold worked really well with this since I was doing the iridescent glitter. I think the gold just gives it a real Christmassy feel instead of so pink. I really like how the gold glitter paper complements this paper collection. These are just some bows that I cut out with my Cricut, and all of the flowers are actually handmade as well. They're just some flowers that I ran through my die cutting machine. And then you'll see some peppermints that I have in here, and those are just some sticky flatbacks that I made. And there is a little candy cane over here, and I trimmed it out with some faux fur, but this is the back, just plain back. And this is actually like the back and the front are the same, so you can decide which one looks better and use that as the front. But this was a really fun file to create. It was one of the more difficult files that I've used, so keep it in mind. It's not so bad when you're creating the legs itself. It's just when you get in here that it gets kind of confusing. So really watch a video if you're going to attempt to do this file to make sure that you're putting it together the right way. And this obviously is a box, and I am using it as a coffee carrier. So I found out the legs fit K-cups perfectly. So I'm putting in a few K-cups for my swap partner. This is some pumpkin hot chocolate that I picked up. And I'm also going to include, I have some of these chocolate marshmallow clouds that I bought that I thought would taste really good with the hot cocoa. So I'm just gonna pop that right in here. and it doesn't look as cute with the chocolate in there, but I'm just gonna wrap it up for gift giving just like this. And I will be having some more videos come out with the 12 Days of Christmas swap. This one I did as a design team project. I'm actually going to debut a couple different design team projects first before I get into the smaller things that I created for the swap. On over to Scrapholics Chipboard. Check out some of her new Christmas chipboards that she created are super, super cute. And she also has released some coffee chipboards that were a lot of fun. Here, I'll actually show you a few of the coffee ones. Just had a bunch sitting on my desk, so I'll give you a little preview of some of the coffee. But these are the snowflakes that I used on the Santa pants. This, as you can see, I've been creating with them, but this is one of the candy canes, and it comes in a 2-pack. This is a really, really cute candy cane. You'll be seeing that in an upcoming project. These are some of the smaller coffee cups that she created, and she's been releasing some of the projects that I did over on Scrapholics Open Studio. Really, really fun projects. You should check it out. This is just a really cool line that she did. And just in time for the holidays, because what goes better with Christmas than coffee? I always have a nice warm cup of coffee or hot chocolate during the holidays. But she did quite a few sentiments. She did the My Cup is Full, Mug Life, coffee time. These are the coffee stains, which I thought were really cool. But first, coffee. She did some amazing gnomes too. I wasn't even going to show you this, but I guess I'm going to now. Christmas gnomes were my absolute favorite chipboard that she has created for Christmas. And she did some coffee ones as well that turned out absolutely adorable. So this is one of the tags that I created with the coffee gnome. They're just super fun and cute. This is a gift card holder that I created using some of the smaller gift cups. This comes out like this, and it will hold a gift card, which I thought was perfect for holiday gift giving. She also has some new papers in the shop. These are from Maja Designs, and she's also carrying the new Cartabella winter collection that is absolutely stunning. I strongly encourage you to check it out. It's a really beautiful collection that will last far into January and even into February. But this is just one of the sentiments that she had created. I really like this one. I like big cups, and I cannot lie. And this is one of the smaller coffee cups. This I thought was really, really cute. It's a coffee cup, but it also has coffee spelled out in the steam above it that was just begging to be on a Christmas card. And this is a view of all 3 of the gnomes that she created. I mean, really, these are just absolutely adorable. This is from last year, one of the paper collections from last year too, that I really didn't get to use too much of. I think it's from Die Cuts with a View, but that's a fun collection. I thought it went really, really well with the gnomes. And then there's one more of the gift card holders that I did. And this one is just a thanks a latte with the Maja Design papers. So thank you for watching. I know that I ended up rambling in this one, so thanks for hanging to the end. But take a look over at the Scrapholics shop. Stop back in the next few days to see some of the projects that I created for Anna's Secret Santa 12 Days of Christmas swap. So thank you for watching. Give my video a thumbs up if you like what you hear, and don't forget to subscribe to see some more crafty content. See you in the next video. Bye!